everybody, Ruth Carter, Arizona attorney extraordinaire, with another video of unsolicited advice, the last one I'm going to do in this block. And all I want to do today really is give a hat tip to a law student at Arizona State University named Lawton. She's a 3L. She's freaking awesome. She is killing it in terms of networking, and I want to let her know that, you know, you're doing good. This is what she did in the last 24 hours. She's graduating in December, and she was nominated by her peers to be the convocation speaker. It's awesome. And she thought, hey, I'm going to make this. She was inspired to make a poster picture thing and put up on Facebook. And then she heard that maybe some people at the administration of the school weren't too keen on it. I thought it was kind of funny. And so she reached out to me and said, hey, you know, I've been thinking a lot about what you said at your talk, because I did do a preview talk of the Undeniable Tour at ASU a couple weeks ago, and she was there. Said, you know, I copied up one of the phrases off your business card on this poster. Give me your thoughts on it. And so I just want to start by saying congratulations and good for you for having the balls to do something creative. You had an idea and you ran with it. You weren't stifled by the what ifs and what if someone doesn't like it, or, oh, it's scary. Yeah, being different is so scary, but you did something creative, and I loved that. And you ran into something and that I've run into it where people don't like it. Well, okay. But if what you did isn't actually wrong, the fact that someone isn't happy with it isn't necessarily a deal breaker. They just have a difference of opinion than you. Okay. And then she did a great thing by reaching back to me and saying, hey, I gave you a hat tip in this poster by using this phrase. I hope you like it, and can I get your opinion on it? So she took this opportunity to continue the conversation we started a couple weeks ago at the event. So that's what networking is about, is keeping the conversation going. And so asking for advice is always a good way to go. When you use a phrase or an idea from another person and you give them credit, always a good thing. And let them know, hey, you inspired me, I used this phrase. I think people always appreciate it when they know that what they told you or what they did inspired you in some way. So if you're in that position, let them know. You know, they'll at least they will probably thank you for it, and you will get a gold star in their book. So anyway, so congratulations, Lawton. I hope you are selected as your convocation speaker, and yeah, good job on taking the risk and standing out. So I hope, you know, I hope telling a little bit of your story helps other people want to be more creative too. So there's your unsolicited advice for today. This is the last block of videos I'm going to be doing today. So yeah, it is the day before Thanksgiving officially, so happy Thanksgiving if you are celebrating. And I will catch up with you later. Take care.